Another common task is splitting one column into multiple columns. Let's demonstrate this with the date column. We'll select the date column, navigate to the Home tab, and select Split Columns. We can split by delimiter or by number of characters. Splitting by delimiter creates a new column each time a specific character occurs. Splitting by number of characters creates a new column after a specified length of the field. We'll split by delimiter. The slash symbol has automatically been selected as a delimiter, and we'll stick with that default. The query editor will now go through the date column and create a new column at every slash. We'll press OK, and see that the date is split into 3 columns representing month, day, and year.